This is part 3 of the SFM tutorial. So in this episode I'll be teaching you how to paint items like cosmetics. So for this I'll be just doing an example one because the items that I have, like the team captain isn't paintable and I just wanted to paint that, but too bad I can't do it. So I'll just get like another hat, for example. Let's see what other hats there are that are paintable. You know what? I can go for how about I forgot what it was called. Let's do an example hat like the Maxis Civet head. That'll be a good idea. So over here, let's just drag the heavy Maxis Civet head over here, and you can see it's white, so yeah. So but I want to paint it green. Distinctive, no, not distinctive, bitter taste of defeat and lime and defeat, if that's how you say it. So now what you do is there's this, there should be this thing that you have downloaded from you should have downloaded this thing called Hat Proxy from SFM, for SFM to paint items. Or for an easier version, you can go to the workshop and you can download this thing called paint. Like it sort of helps you paint cosmetics. So I'll show you the workshop version. So what you do is that once you downloaded it, you go to this, you right click on the name of the hat, and you go to rig and set up model coloring theta piscide, whatever. Click on that and there should be a whole options of what you want to color it. So I'm gonna paint it lime, and ta-da, here it is. It's this is how it gets painted, but it doesn't always work like this, so I'm gonna be undoing that and I'll show you another way. This way is more complicated and might have to, yeah, it might get you a little bit confused. So what you do now, for the other way to paint it, you go to the name of the hat, of course, and right click, show an element viewer, and click on model. Now this will take you to the element viewer. Wait, hold on a minute. And what you do is, once you have the Hat Proxy downloaded, you'll have to know where you downloaded it. So what you do is that you see this green text, which means like which contains all the models and stuff. What you have to do is right click on this thing, on the green thing, and add attribute, and make sure you click on element array. Now for the name here, this is very crucial for painting. You have to name this materials. Make sure you spelled it right, or else it wouldn't work. So click OK. So now what you do is that you've added a sort of material thing, and over here. So what you do now is right click on this, the material, and import element. Now try and find the hatproxy.dmx file that you've downloaded from. I'll make sure that I'll send a video where it has a more advanced sort of painting tutorial. So go to so you click on hatproxy.dmx and open it. Now what happens now is you see this thing called proxy material. And you see this whole entire weird stuff that you won't understand a single thing. So what you do is, over here where it says place material here, you can see over here in the model name, you can see this thing. So what you do is you copy all that and paste it onto that. Make sure you delete the .mdl and it should come up black. But if it doesn't, then you'll have to do it the other way. So if it does work in this one, then it'll go black, but if it doesn't work, then you have to try this out. you have to right click on the max exhibit head and go to show game model in Explorer. Now it will show you like the highlighted bit of this. So what you do to edit it is edit it with Notepad++. Now what this means is that you have to go and find like the similar model name. So I'll find it like over here, this. So I'll be highlighting this. So not all of them work in the edit in the Notepad++. So I just got a random one that I thought would work, and here it is. It's turned all black, so you can just leave it like this if you're doing a distinctive lack of hue paint. So what you do is this was made by MrUgleh, who also made the advanced paint tutorial, so I'll make sure to put the link in the description below. So he made this document which shows all the number codes for every single paint. So after all, I'm going for lime. I'll copy. You have to click on this box thing where it shows the number and do Ctrl+C. Now this will copy it, and to make this lime, you'll see this thing called color int base whatever, and you'll see these 3 zeros. This is where you paste it, and ta-da, you did it. Now you see that this max exhibit head looks better than the one in the workshop, because this one's more defined, and MrUgleh like actually worked on it. So now you know how to paint different hats with different colors and in two different ways. Not all hats in SFM are paintable, like because of the broken model. So what you might have to do is go to the workshop and type, and then and find a fixed model for it, like the All Father and the Dead of Night. So now you know how to paint items. I will be showing you how to fix these kind of weird patchy stuff. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Until next time in part 3. I mean part 4, whatever.